Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a little happy mail to share with you all. And this is coming from Maria, who is our good friend from YouTube. Flippin', oh my gosh, what is her handle? Something burger flippin' on YouTube. You guys, if you come to the lives, you'll know who I'm talking about. But anyway, she sent me a little happy mail. And let's open this one. And I pre-opened it so that it'll be easier. But look at this super cute card. You're on a roll. Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. So cute. Look at the face on that dumpling. That is so cute. What, wonton in a million. That's what that's from. Okay. Okay, this girl. Hello, thought I would share my sugar cookie with you. Maria, P.S. Thanks for making me laugh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So we have a running joke all my lives, and Maria comes on. She's been trying to get Louisa and myself to go and buy sugar cookie. It is beautiful, but it's not, I don't know. I guess I'd have to see it more because it's not my style right now. And I'm still in love with Santa Baby. And because it's Frank Garcia Studio, you know, Frank Garcia design, to me, I can live with one of his collections for now. And then maybe down the road. Look at this. I mean, it is gorgeous. I'm not going to say it's not gorgeous, but look at that. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can even see the details in this beautiful paper collection. These are like lightweight. It's not chipboard, but it's not paper. It's cardstock. Oh my God, Eileen. And it feels like it's from the ephemeras. So these are just two of the cutouts. Look at that. So pretty. It is pretty. But it looks very, very similar to Santa Baby, with just heavier on the shabby chic side. But thank you, Maria, for sharing this with me and for teasing me with your sugar cookie. So this one says, passing by to say happy holidays. And the other one is, you are sweet like sugar cookies. That's adorable. But yeah, Maria, not today. Not today, girl. Not today. I'm so happy that we met on YouTube, and I greatly appreciate your sense of humor and your joking with our lives, because it just cheers me up. You said I make you laugh, but girl, I think you make all of us laugh. There's several of you that like really, really bring on the laughs, you know. Anyway, thank you all for joining me, and I hope to see you all on the next video. And thanks, Maria. I appreciate you, girl. Naughty, naughty.